Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're going to talk about a common troubleshooting step for your Google Home Mini, resetting it. Whether you're encountering connectivity issues or just want to start fresh, resetting your Google Home Mini can often solve many problems. So, let's dive in. 1. Introduction to resetting Google Home Mini. First off, let's quickly go over why you might need to reset your Google Home Mini. Sometimes, your device might act up, not respond to commands, or encounter Wi-Fi connectivity problems. Resetting can often resolve these issues and give your device a fresh start. 2. How to reset Google Home Mini. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty of how to actually reset your Google Home Mini. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Step 1. Locate the reset button on your Google Home Mini. It's usually located on the bottom of the device, near the power cable. Step 2. Using a paperclip or something similar, press and hold the reset button for about 15 seconds. You'll notice the lights on the device flashing. Step 3. Once the lights stop flashing, release the reset button. Your Google Home Mini will then reboot and return to its factory settings. And that's it. Your Google Home Mini has been successfully reset. 3. What happens after resetting? Now, after resetting your Google Home Mini, keep in mind that you'll need to set it up again as if it were brand new. This means reconnecting it to your Wi-Fi network and linking it to your Google account. Conclusion. So, there you have it. A quick guide on how to reset your Google Home Mini. Remember, it's a handy troubleshooting step that can often resolve many issues you might encounter with your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.